Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at the YEARN finance, or YFI, currently ranked at 151 with a market cap of about $290 million, right? We have a 24-hour volume of about $45 million, and today we are going to be looking at the AI price prediction and price action right there for this week, right, for YFI, right? So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. And even for the week, we're down about 4.7% right here for YFI. And without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? So we're on the chart right here for YFI versus the USD Theta. We're on the 4-hourly time frame, and Binance is the data source, right? And basically for YFI, we have seen our AI get it several weeks back to back, right? We have been getting our analysis back to back, right? We predicted this push, the AI predicted this push, right, in the beginning of November, predicted also in the second week into this push. We saw this downtrend. Our AI predicted some sort of sideways price action, boring price action, and that is what we saw this week. And basically, as you can see right here, we already have our price prediction for this week. Mind you, our AI basically uses what we call predictive analytics and regression analysis to be able to compute all the past data and try to forecast with a high probability what is going to happen for the next week, right? And as you can see, our AI basically is bullish on YFI, and we should be expecting to see the price of YFI by the end of the week at around the $11,000 level right here for YFI, right? And so for YFI, that could be a whopping push of about, let's see, 31%, right? So our AI is basically very bullish, right, on YFI, especially for this week, that we could see another push to the upside, right, of about currently from where we are, that could be another 30% push to the upside, right? Currently at 8,000, our AI is predicting that we could see prices at around that $11,600 level, right? So that is the AI price prediction for this week right here for YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the share button, click on subscribe button, as we give you updates on a daily basis as regards our YFI. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.